Welcome to Care's Corner. I'm Carolyn Martinelli. Are you aware of the war for food transparency? It pits the public, i.e. you and me, who want to see genetically modified foods labeled against big food, i.e. Monsanto, who are using every resource they have to avoid labeling. In this battle, the public has everything to gain and big food has everything to lose. GMOs, or genetically modified organisms, are plants or animals created through the gene splicing techniques of biotechnology, also called genetic engineering or GE. This experimental technology merges different DNA from different species, creating unstable combinations of plant, animal, bacterial, and viral genes that cannot occur in nature or in traditional crossbreeding. Once that is achieved, the seeds are mass-produced and sold to farmers. There are many crops that are genetically modified, but the most mass-produced are corn, cotton, canola, and soy. In North America, over 80% of our food now contains GMOs. Opponents of food derived from GMOs are concerned about the safety of the food itself and wish for GMOs to be banned or at least labeled on food packaging. There are grave concerns about contamination of the non-GM food supply, the effect GMOs have on the environment, and the fear that GMOs are tampering too deeply with nature. While controversial, studies have shown that GM foods can be toxic or allergenic and have altered nutritional value. At this juncture, legislation for labeling GM foods has been shot down, with California being the highest profile defeat, only because of the deep pockets of big food. However, they can only hold off the public for so long. Numerous states are in the process of trying to pass similar labeling legislation, and eventually, when one state wins, the rest of the country will follow. Until this happens, the most effective strategy we have is the Non-GMO Project, a nonprofit organization working to help stores identify non-GMO products and make sure consumers know what is in their food. The work by this consortium of non-GMO stakeholders has paid off. Over 2,000 stores are now involved with the Non-GMO Project. Since 2009, sales of Non-GMO Project verified products have grown from $0 to $3.5 billion annually. In March of this year, Whole Foods Market pledged 100% GMO transparency, and by 2018 they will require that all of their products they sell will be Non-GMO Project verified, certified organic, or labeled as possibly containing GMOs. Many companies such as Silk and Eden Foods committed themselves to dedicating between 18,000 and 27,000 acres of United States farmland to non-GMO production annually. There are now 10,000 verified products on the market. For a real-time listing of non-GMO Project verified products and to see what the non-GMO label looks like, visit www.nongmoproject.org. October is non-GMO month, so let's celebrate by purchasing non-GMO verified products whenever possible. As always, for individualized lifestyle consulting, I am available at the office on Wednesdays and Thursdays or by appointment.